Hey y'all, it's your girl Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, today is Sunday, Sip Tea Sunday. For today's Sip Tea Sunday, I decided to do a challenge. So basically, as you guys can see, I achieved doing a wash and go in 5 minutes. I did have my laptop on the side, which had the timer for 5 minutes, and I will have the little timer at the bottom of the screen. The things that I use for this video, I use my extreme gel, my Gorilla Sonat, I use a comb, a brush, of course the part and to do my edges. And yeah, that's all I did. You guys will see the video. Honestly, at the end, you guys can let me know if I achieved it or not. Y'all just gonna have to watch the video and let me know if I did it or not. So here y'all go. Alright guys, so that is my video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and please show me what else that you guys would love for me to do within this channel. Do you guys think I achieved this video or this little challenge? Because I think I did. Honestly, I only forgot the oil, but you can walk out the house without some oil in your hair. You good. So y'all, it is Sunday. What y'all eating today? I bet. Oh my god, y'all, I missed my hair so much. Like, I feel like I've been doing protective styles ever since the new year, and I just have not had my hair out. And as you guys seen from my last video I did on Wednesday, I showed you guys the length check. And of course, you guys cannot see the length check with my black shirt, but you guys see a length check, and my hair is back there. But stay tuned for Wednesday's video. I have a video for you guys. Yeah, so just like, comment, share, subscribe, send this video out to y'all friends, and let them know what Mesha Curlz doing, and stay tuned for Wednesday, and I will see y'all later.